touching midnight frequencies. Echoes run through gravity. Bodies drifting endlessly, caught inside the circuitry. Signals burn in silver lines, soft collisions undefined. Every pulse between our minds glows within the hidden signs. Static whispers bending slow. In the dark we start to flow. Everything we used to know fades beneath the afterglow. Midnight frequency touch, pulling deeper than enough. Through the quiet, through the dust, we dissolve inside the flux. Midnight frequency call, rising, breaking, letting fall. Every boundary, every wall, turning weightless overall. Frequency falling into symmetry. Frequency moving through the energy. Quiet sparks across the skin, patterns flicker from within. Every shift begins again. In the loops we're captured in, waves of light along the floor, tracing shapes we can't ignore. Every beat becomes a door, opening to something more. Midnight frequency touch, pulling deeper than enough. Through the quiet, through the dust, we dissolve inside the flux. Midnight frequency call, rising, breaking, letting fall. Every boundary, every wall, turning weightless overall. In the stillness of the night, signals drift beyond our sight. Midnight pulls us into light. Through the frequency we write.